Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I got this thing all back together except for the air box on the intake. I put some fresh gas in it. When I took it apart a couple of months ago, I went ahead and drained the gas out of the gas tank. It was kind of old and nasty looking. I flushed a little bit through it. Then I've just put some fresh gas in it, and I changed oil in it. This is one of those that says you never change the oil, you're just supposed to keep adding oil to it and all that happy stuff. I disagree with that, but that's okay. Anyway, I'm fixing to try it, see what it does. Well, it doesn't look like it's going to work very well, so I don't know. I had sparks because I checked the sparks before I put the plug back in. Huh. I don't know. Well, there it goes, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, gosh. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and finish putting it all back together, and it should run okay, I think. But it sounded good. It did blow out some oil, but some smoke. But that's okay. I had some oil on the valves and all that. Oh, gosh. Well, I hope everybody enjoys this. It's been a job, and a special thanks to my buddy Ed at Ed's Machine. He did a fantastic job on that head. That's all I can say. Of course, he's done a lot of work for me over the years, and he's always done excellent work. Thanks, Ed.